Charlie, on issue na Ghana. Sadu ya omoye ne one was. Say, and at the end of the day, you realize the people that are on the short list, people with good you great minds are like mo bibi a ewo mumu a ebetimi aboa mo mind. Okay, but Ghana hana ewo no. Where are the resources? Where are the means na ebetimi aboa mo na mo nso mo atimi build bibi wa ha man. And do you say an mrofo ni yo no mo the scholarship ni ade dada do how crowd no lie because so na chance abanu wedru a onye obi na beka chiro se member wow ma so dubo no akaka now then you be using o gift ni bibia o no now they boa no they build your mind. So that is what this thing has been since. But Charlie, me anytime I see your videos on social media, these platforms, it makes me so happy because Charlie, the passion now, the kind of passion you have, like for what you do, agri sector, no Charlie, it is massive. Me who be that because you know. They made us my perception be say oh yeah Greca abrabo na si o but you've redefined that perception one mama benya a different understanding and ama benya a different perspective towards like anything agriculture. And so I really like what you are doing, and I'm very proud of you, Charlie. The be me who are no many as me go like me who go for I just smile say Charlie. I are there.